Hi, my name is Joachim and you are watching Python Bonanza, the channel where I try to answer your Python related questions. So we are back, finally. It has been way too long since we released any videos, but now the plan is to do it every week on Wednesdays. So I'm looking forward to go with you on this ride because I need your help. You should send me any kind of Python related questions that you have, and do that to this email shown on the screen now. It's also in the description for this video and all upcoming videos on the channel. So what kind of questions am I looking for? Well, I want them to be of general interest. So I'm not looking for you to send me some code and ask me what the bug in this code is, or which kind of IDE or what editor should I use. That is not of general interest. So I want you to send me things that many people can be interested in. So that can be questions like, how does this work in Python? Why does this work in Python? And so on. So every week, come back and watch for new content and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. Looking forward to do this with you. Let's go.